Well, my name's Keith. Sing in the band.
I'm Danny. Play guitar and sing.
Seth, drums. Nathan, keyboards.
Jerry, bass.
Vocals. It's not like usual suspects. Yeah. I'm gonna take Fly. I think Fly. I'll land in the snow. We'll just move to the Rockies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go to the Rockies. We're taking that one.
Yeah.
Fly.
Turn
For sure.
ankles are
I'm gonna fly.
I don't want to twist my ankle.
Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nathan's actually got glass eyelashes.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
do you like having those?
I
or
enjoy it.
You don't mind it?
It's good.
I'm going hot dog fingers.
Oh, no doubt about it.
Yeah, I think hot dog
Mustard.
fingers.
I also have those.
Yeah, yeah, you never starve.
Yeah,
awesome.
right here.
But then you can't hold anything.
Shouldn't have done that. Oh, I'd take them all. I'm taking them. I mean, it's people watching.
Mall.
Yeah.
That's it. I'll be like Tom Hanks at that airport.
Pretzels.
Forever.
Is there an
Just
orange
more
Julius?
people. Yeah, if there's an orange Julius, we're taking them all.
Yeah,
Definitely mall.
Well, Jerry's actually got a ketchup dispensing
Yeah.
belly button.
and no one uses pencils anymore, I don't think, do they?
I don't think.
I'd use them a bunch. I would go
Yeah.
with the pencil
Yeah,
sharpener.
me too.
I'm going to take the pencil sharpening because I think it'd be good that I finally put something up my nose that's worthwhile. Elephant-sized puppy.
This puppy.
Elephant-sized puppy. And with a kick-ass memory.
What would you name it?
Tiny.
On and on and on. I said, and it's on and on and on.